from then on, if there's anything happens during your presentation,
Hi, this is Hazriq and welcome to this program once again. And today I have with me my friend, it's an old friend, and this is a former broadcaster. Guess who? Hey, it's Riz. Hey, hi Riz.
Hi everyone. Hello, hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Today he's going to share with us some tips about presentation skills. So yeah, probably Riz, share with us as a former broadcaster, if you have one or two tips on how people can present themselves with some charisma and all that. What would be one of your two tips?
Well, I guess one of the best tips I can share is to understand the topic itself, whether you are presenting, whether you are hosting, whether you are emceeing, you must understand the subject itself. So if you are talking about a specific issue like economy or social or a particular community issue, so you must understand in depth what is the issue about. So from then on, if there's anything happens during your presentation, during your hosting, during your emceeing, you will be able to articulate better, present better, and the message that you want to deliver to the audience will be delivered in a very effective manner. So you must understand what is the issue, what is the topic about. So I think that's the best tip that I can share with you. So whatever that you are presenting, whatever that you're hosting or emceeing or perhaps moderating a forum, for example, so you have to understand the issue or the topic itself, and with that I think you will be able to deliver it very well.
Wow, that's wonderful. The importance of content. People say content is king, and I like it when you say that when things go wrong, you know what to say because you have prepared yourself. All right. Okay. Thank you for the tips, Riz, and
Most welcome, Hazriq.
Thank you. So with that, Hazriq and Riz, or Rick and Riz, if we were to start a podcast together, probably. All right. So all the best, and I see you guys. All right. Bye bye.